Hola, buenos días, clase. Muy bien. Let's begin. So I have added my Bitmoji classroom, my virtual classroom, to the beginning of every day for slides. I'll also add it in Schoology as well, where you can also find these slides, of course. I really want you to engage in this. It's something that you'll see every day when I take attendance or before I take attendance as you're entering in the classroom if you enter early. And there are a ton of pretty much everything that you see, you click on and it's going to be interactive. It might be a map quiz, it might be the alphabet song, history about the slogan Si se puede, un libro, all are welcome here, todos son bienvenidos aquí, Duolingo, diccionario, vocabulario, flashcards, colecciones de libros, collection of books, songs, café, comida, podcasts, virtual tours. So really spend some time checking this out. I worked on this quite a bit and I think you'll enjoy it. Okay. Hoy es el 23 o el 24 de septiembre. Es miércoles o jueves. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. La pregunta de asistencia es, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Hoy es el 23 de septiembre o el 24 de septiembre. Again, these videos are for 2 days because I see half of you on one day and half of you on the other. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es miércoles o jueves. Ahora ustedes van a escribir en tu cuaderno lo que ves aquí. Perdón. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Marcos. ¿Y tú? Me llamo señora Jones. Mucho gusto, Marcos. Igualmente, señora Jones. Okay, so we're going to ask and answer each other's names. I'm going to ask you, call you out by your birth given name, and then ask you what is your name in Espanol. Then I'm going to ask the class, ¿Cómo se llama? What is his or her name? So I might say, ¿Cómo se llama Evan? Evan se llama Marcos. ¿Cómo se llama Cade? Cade se llama Vicente. ¿Cómo se llama Savannah? Savannah se llama Mercedes. ¿Cómo se llama Margaret or Maggie? Maggie se llama Margarita. Okay, so we're talking about what are these people's names? What are they called? Quizlet.live, I want you to practice with the class the vocab that we're learning for this quarter. Okay. In Quizlet.live, you will be able to see, okay, all of the vocab that we have there. We're going to practice a few rounds of this in class, but you can go into your vocabulario, your folder, and I will show you in class as well where you can find your vocab to practice flashcards. Remember, ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? How do you spell your name? Right now, if you do not have this in Flipgrid, it is M for missing, and you need to get this into me. If you're going to put this into Flipgrid past the Sunday night deadline, you need to let me know. Hey, I just uploaded my first video in Flipgrid. Can you take a look at it? Because it doesn't tell me in Schoology if you submitted something past the deadline. Okay, again, this is where you would enter the speaking assessment and click into Flipgrid. Again, la fecha de entrega, the deadline is los domingos, on Sundays. That's when I want everything for the week to be submitted by. Okay, so make sure really getting it to me on the day that I assign it, because usually the homework is just 5 to 10 minutes extra, is ideal. The assessments you'll take longer on, I understand, and getting those to me by Sunday is the deadline. Okay, conversation and names. So here we're practicing again how to say hello, how to say nice to meet you, and we're practicing the alphabet and names. Okay? A few things to know about your assignment. You're going to see mayúscula, mayúscula. Una A mayúscula is a capital A. Perdón. Una A minúscula is a lowercase a. Mayúscula es grande. Mini, minúscula es pequeño. Capital A, lowercase a. Okay, see you in class. Hasta luego.